Good morning. So I chose 4 topics for LinkedIn. I chose human resources, animation, video production, and photography. I really like photography. I've always been interested in photography, even when I was younger. I don't do anything with it now, but that was just a dream, I guess, I had. Animation I thought was really cool because in one of the classes that I taught, a couple weeks ago. It was a 4th grade class, and they had to make their own videos of a fable that they made up with a partner, and they had to cut out. They used construction paper, and they got to cut out their own characters, and then they were going to have an end result of an actual animation video that they could make. Video production I thought would be interesting because I've never made videos before until this class. My friends' kids always are making videos, and it was really cool, so I figure I should learn about video production, and it'll help me in this course. Um, so I haven't set any goals yet, um, but one of the things I really liked in this, once you start watching videos, you can save them, and it shows you what you're watching right now. So if I started a video and then paused it, it would show in progress, which that was really cool because I can go back to it. I don't have to watch the whole thing at once, from what I understand. The Cinema 4D, that was really cool. I thought kids in 4th, 5th, and 6th grade could benefit from that if they have to make a video. The human resources part I thought would be good and helpful because there's a lot of conflict between students and even adults nowadays. Not everybody's going to agree on the same thing. So I feel for my own benefit, working with difficult people would come in handy. Me being a volunteer firefighter, there's a lot of conflict in our department, so I feel that would even help me outside of teaching, and it wouldn't be, I would have a different view of how to handle the situations that may arise. And I feel students would also benefit from that. I could take tips from the video and practice them in my classroom. There was another one I found. I really thought running a video production business, that would be interesting just for some extra knowledge on my end. I wouldn't necessarily have to use that for school purposes, but it benefits because I'll be more knowledgeable on how to make a video. And then 21 Foundations of Animation, that looks very interesting. It's universal principles that can be used to create high quality animation. That would be really helpful if I ever get my own classroom and have the students make their own videos and animation productions. Yeah, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching.